Hello! Welcome to Explore Home Repeat. My name's Matt.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we are at Blenheim Palace for their Christmas event, Sleeping Beauty in the Palace. We're just going to come here, have an explore around. There's also looks to be a Christmas market to explore. That looks good.
That looks good.
We have also got tickets for their illuminated trail, but we're doing that on a separate day, so we'll probably do that as a separate video coming out soon. Right, you ready to explore?
Let's go.
So just coming into the first of the two big courtyards at Blenheim, they have got an amazing carousel. Oh, look, a helter-skelter. This is the shop over here. Wow, that looks amazing.
That's really good. I've never been to like this Christmas thing before, so I'm so glad we've started.
Yeah, instantly just gives you kind of Christmassy vibes as you come in. Love it. They've also got some flying swing boats. I used to love these as a kid. I don't think Sienna's quite old enough for them yet, but those are always great fun at a fair. Okay, so here we go. We're going into the palace through these giant doors. Sienna is very excited by all these Christmas trees.
It's huge.
That is absolutely massive Christmas tree. It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
I love the colour scheme so far, and I love like the windows for the Sleeping Beauty Princess Castle experience. It's great so far. We've only just come through the door.
I guess there's going to be hints of Sleeping Beauty everywhere. Down here we've got a spinning wheel underneath the King and Queen statues over here. And it's just this tree is absolutely beautiful. Its decorations are stunning. And here's the big book you enter through. So Sleeping Beauty, once upon a time in a land far, far away, a princess was born and the whole kingdom celebrated. I won't narrate the whole story completely, but they've got these panels that tell you the story as you go through about the Princess Auroura and her christening and how all the fairies were invited. It is stunning, isn't it?
It is, and there's so many little trees.
Yeah.
They're so well decorated, they're beautiful.
Yeah, really, really nice. I say we've only just kind of skirted around the entrance so far, and there's just trees everywhere, all decorated slightly differently, all with a bit of a story and a theme. Amazing. As we carry on down this corridor, these beautiful archways with all these flowers, just thousands and thousands of, I think they're fake flowers, they're not real, but still absolutely beautiful. It's so good.
It's so beautiful. It's amazing.
So now we're going into a round about the wicked fairy that wasn't invited to the christening. Oh, quite spooky in here. There's this very scary kind of fairy witch. Wow. Again, the details are just incredible. There's frogs and mice in cages. There's so much detail, you just have to look for it. You could very easily just walk past it. Here's the fairy that stops Auroura from dying, but just means she'll sleep for 100 years. Just flowers that keep opening and closing. Really effective. It's very dark in here. Loads of spinning wheels, all piled up, beautifully lit. I guess this is why they're all piled up, because they set fire to all the spinning wheels in the kingdom. And they've got this sort of smoky fire effect over them.
This palace really does Christmas very well. We're only probably halfway through, and it's amazing. The lighting, the sounds, the colours, it's so good.
Well, looks like we're going through into some sort of kitchen scene. Big table. This room is just beautiful. Can't really see it, it's so dark up there. Well, you can see it on the camera better than you can in real life. It's sort of all the painting, absolutely beautiful, and then everything decorated for Christmas. So I forget the story, but the wicked fairy managed to trick Sleeping Beauty into using the spinning wheel, and it sent everyone in the kingdom to sleep for 100 years. So that's why everyone in this room is asleep.
I forgot about that part of the story.
Oh Oh, here's Sleeping Beauty, asleep in a bed next to the spinning wheel. Wow. It's very kind of atmospheric. Again, the music really helps. All the lighting, music, everything comes together. You've gone from very bright, colourful stuff to that really sort of spooky, dark fairy scene to this one, which is really kind of somber. The prince comes and kisses her with a kiss of true love, and every person and creature in the kingdom magically awakens. And this is the scene they've got in this incredible, massive library. Amazing projections on the ceiling. Wow. Have actually got a Sleeping Beauty. They've got an actor here in a beautiful dress, talking to all the kids. Now she's woken up. Really clever. This library, there is just so much to look at. You've got the princess's palace here. Down here there's all lots of little fairy houses with little scenes in them. They're incredible. The amount of detail is just mind-boggling. It must have taken so long to put together. These projections are clever. All these leaves all coming to life. Oh, now there's flowers coming out. It's very, very clever.
Have I missed something? Have I missed something? I didn't. Just a lot last time. I missed a lot.
At the end here, they've got this incredible bed with all projections onto it, so the waterfall goes across the bed. So that's our day over here exploring the Sleeping Beauty Palace event they've got here at Blenheim Palace. What did you think?
It was magical. I didn't actually know what to expect. We've been to a few Christmas house events, but this just seemed very special for some reason.
Yeah, really well done. The amount of effort, the amount of detail, the scale of it was really impressive. Like you say, we've been to Woodstock and various National Trust houses. This is on a whole other level. I cannot wait because they do the illuminated light trail.
No, I'm really excited for that, just to see Blenheim Palace in the night with all the lights. Yeah, it's going to be magical, hopefully.
Yeah, we've sort of had glimpses of what it could look like, but obviously we're here in the daytime, in the morning in fact. So when it's all dark, all the lights are really shining, it could look amazing. Really excited for that. So stay tuned for that video. That'll be out really, really soon. I really highly recommend coming to this. If you've got an annual pass, you can actually get into the house for free. The illuminated light trail still costs quite a lot of money. It is expensive. But the house, what we've just done now, entirely free if you've got an annual pass. Right, with that being said, we're off home. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.